Hey, what is up guys, Shadow Company Airsoft here, and I'm here going to be doing an unboxing again for you guys. Since my last one got so many views, I decided to do a second one, so let's get into it. First things first, we're going to go... Actually, I'm going to go over all the stuff I got from Bass Pro Shop. Alright, first things first, this is the green laser from Sightmark. And what comes in it is your warranty information. Yeah, good stuff. The sight marker laser, which is really nice. There we go. Yeah, very nice. Put that over here. And a pressure switch. And finally, a bit of Velcro to put it on your gun. And that's the box. Very flashy, very nice. Takes a lithium battery. So yeah, just letting you know that. Then we have the Blackhawk stubby and full version grip. This is the convertible one where you can unscrew the bottom a bit and put on a longer extension to it. Very nice. Definitely worth buying. Go get it. And next, we have 3 Magpul mag assists, all black for my new gun that I'm going to be showing you guys. Magpul front and rear sights. Why is one's tan and one black? Well, I'm spray painting the tan one because they didn't have any black sights for rear sights. And comes with an adjustment key. And next, and finally, our new flashlight from Pursuit. Very nice. First setting 190 lumens, very nice. First switch is light and then second is strobe, very nice. Alright, now let's get on to the unboxing. We're going to start off with the small unboxing first. Alright, our handy dandy zombie survival knife. Maybe I didn't cut it. And down the middle, come on. And alright, there we go. Alright. Tactical packing paper or packing inflatable whatever. Alright, first things first. Key mod rails. Probably going to give you an idea of what's going to be in the next unboxing. A small one and a large one, both made by UTG, very reliable. Perfect. And this bad boy, Field Sport, red dot sight. Let's open this bad boy up and get on to it. Alright, instruction manual, very nice. Gonna be your best friend when this thing is not working how you expect it. Allen key, very nice. Gonna need that to put the gun or the sight together. And then take that out first. Miniature mini riser, lithium battery, and cleaning cloth. And finally, the red dot sight itself. And some silicone gel. Never eat that, it'll kill you. Alright, very nice. Looks cool. Let me see if I can get this. Very nice. Perfect for my new gun that I'm going to show you. Put that right back in there. and put that back on. And let's throw this box out of the way, because here comes the big boy. You probably can guess what it is, considering it has a name on it. But let's open this thing anyways. They taped it down pretty tight, so it's going to be pretty hard to untape. But not for this knife. This knife can tear through anything, even a zombie's head. Very nice. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Release your Kraken, baby. Crytek. Best known brand on the airsoft market, and definitely cool thing. And Chris, also been known as the people who make the Vector. And let's see. This thing is very nice. Let's put this knife away so we don't hurt ourselves. And let's just quickly open this bad boy up. See what it looks like. Very flashy box, I have to admit. Very nice too. Hello, baby. This is something you don't see often. The instruction manual taped to the cardboard box. And a Crytek sticker, which will go perfectly on my Pelican case. Beautiful. And now, oh, let's turn it around first. Let's move all this to the side. Let's see if we can get it in the whole space. There we go. Beauty. Hello there, beautiful. Alright, first thing it's going to come with out of the box is a high cap mag, full metal, very nice. You can just rip that apart, wind it, very nice. And then you have your winding tool, very nice, comes with it. All you need to do is take this sucker out of the package and don't lose it, because this thing is crucial. And then you got your own winding system. Beautiful. Yeah, that's what I like to see on a new gun. A winding tool. That's beautiful. Cleaning it on jamming rod. Very nice, very long. And one thing about this, it's black. You don't see many of them. You see a two-toned black and gray. And then you have the front post sights and the back post sights. Really tight in there. Very nice. Beautiful sights. Very nice. Look very awesome. Two sights. Very nice. Although, as you know, I'm putting my own Magpul sights on them. So yeah, But doesn't mean I won't use these bad boys. These things have to be reliable, so I'm definitely going to keep those. I mean, who wouldn't keep a pair of iron sights? If you don't, you're wasting your time. And then the front sights, which are a bit harder to open. I can't see why I can't open it. There we go. Full metal front and rear sights. Very nice, adjustable. And that's going to be awesome. I don't think it came with an adjustable piece. But the cool thing is, the box came with slots that you can actually put them in. And that is very nice, considering some of the boxes don't actually do that. And even has 2 mag spaces that you can put in. And this box is amazing. They've done so much to it. And the gun itself. The Crytac. One of the most fierce weapons you'll ever see. Very nice. Comes with a QR code. Most likely something, I'm not sure, but I'm taking this piece off so it doesn't interfere with this. See that bolt catch? Very nice. Now this is a pretty thin gun. As you can see, my whole hand fits around it. And it is just one hell of a gun. And stock is retractable. Has a lot of spots where you can put it. And just feels so nice. It's full metal. It's got the Crytac logo integrated into it. I don't know if you can see that. Very nice. And even has Virginia, USA on it. And the key mod rail, which is very nice. Sorry, hit the tripod. And the buttstock, very nice. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, sorry, I had to close the port there. Now, as you can see, it can house a variety of batteries, stick type, nunchucks, and maybe even a small LiPo. Very nice. Has your QD swivel mount, and my god, it is just a beautiful weapon. I can't believe it. It's got a very nice full metal sling mount, which is ambidextrous, and the fire selector is ambidextrous, which is super nice, which you do not see on many guns. And you even have a really cool trigger guard, which I haven't seen on many guns, which gives you a lot more access for your fingers, and is just super nice. I can't believe it. Crytek really outdone themselves, and this is just so beautiful. That sound though, super nice. The gun out of its box is really nice, and it does come with a built-in MOSFET. It's very nice. The trigger is very nice feeling to it. Has a very nice plastic handguard and motor grip. It's very nice. I can't like, there's so much that I just want to say about this. It is super nice. and I just have like, I'm speechless. It's beautiful. Oh man, very nice. All right, that's about it for the review of the Crytek and the unboxing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.